This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make American Chopsuey. There are many different varieties of American Chopsuey, but this is the one which you normally get in India in Chinese restaurants. I am sharing this recipe because many people have requested for it. For the gravy, I am going to use 150 grams each of cabbage, carrot, capsicum and beans. I am going to finely dice the cabbage. Finely dice the capsicum. The beans. As well as the carrots. I'm also going to chop one onion. About a cup of spring onions. And about 12 to 15 garlic cloves. I'm going to now boil the bones of 4 to 5 leg pieces as well as the meat of 1 leg piece. I'm going to transfer this into a pressure cooker along with 1 liter of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to pressure cook this for about 3 whistles. So this is done. I'm going to separate the flesh first. And then the bones. And now I'm going to strain out the stock. I'm going to shred this meat to put in the gravy. To make the gravy, I'm going to heat 5 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan for about a minute and add the garlic to it. Once the garlic gets this light golden color to it, I'm going to add the onions and saute till they get this pearly transparent. Now I'm going to add the chopped vegetables. Add 2.5 teaspoons of salt to it. Saute for about a minute till the vegetables begin to soften a bit. And then add the chicken stock. Now I am going to put the shredded chicken. I am going to bring this to a boil. And then add 1 cup of tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar. And I feel like the ketchup is a little less, so I'm going to add another half a cup of it. At this point, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Give it a stir. And while stirring, add corn flour slurry to it, which is 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 8 tablespoons of water. I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then add a cup of spring onions. To make 1 packet, that is 200 grams of noodles, I'm going to boil 2 liters of water in a saucepan. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil to it, and then put the noodles in. I'm going to boil this till the noodles are almost cooked. The noodles need to be soft but still a little chewy. I'm going to switch this off now and transfer the noodles into a bowl of cold water. Now I'm going to strain the noodles and keep it aside. To fry the noodles, I'm going to heat 3 cups of oil in a wok or kadhai until it's very hot, say about 200 to 250 degrees. and then put enough noodles to fill the surface of the wok. I'm going to fry this till it's stiff and crunchy. I'm also going to fry an egg. To serve the chopsuey, on each cake of the noodles, I'm going to pour some sauce, sprinkle some spring onions, and then top it with a fried egg. So that was my chicken American chopsuey. If you want to see the vegetarian version of it, please press the link below. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.